Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to multiply one-digit numbers using something simple. Counters. Let's look at 3 times 4. This simply means we have 3 groups with 4 counters in each group. When we count them all up, 4, 8, 12, we see that 3 times 4 equals 12. Now, let's take a look at this in action. Here we can see the example. 5 times 3. I am then making 5 groups that I am filling with 3 counters each. To find my product, I simply count how many counters were used in all. Or another way you can think about it is skip counting by 3s 5 times. And that's all there is to multiplying by one-digit numbers. Great job! Using groups and counters makes multiplication easy to visualize. Keep practicing, and don't forget to find your Math Zen.